Welcome back again, and let's start off with going into content, blueprints, attack damage, left click on attack 1 damage blueprint, and duplicate. And let's call this enemy attack 1 damage underscore BP. And very simply go into there and delete these two, drag off, cast to be 2D side-scroller character, other actor plugged in, so it's searching for your character. And did we add a damage? Yes, damage system. And then plug damage system into destroy actor. This is how much damage you're going to do to your character. I'm just going to put 10 for demonstration purposes. Compile. Oops, don't forget to plug in as 2D side-scroller character you want to do damage. 10 damage, compile and save. And then let's jump right back into our intelligent enemy blueprint. And I unplugged this while debugging. Delete. And here, instead of regular attack damage, we want enemy attack damage. Attack 1 damage underscore BP. Compile and save. So that should pretty well be it. Whenever our character is in range, it's... Where is it? These two we don't need anymore. That was from debugging. Compile, save. And whenever... Here it is. Whenever our character is in range, it's going to call enemy shoot, that custom event that we created right here. And enemy shoot is going to call an event, a sound. Let's do, let's just do sword sound. And then it should spawn damage from the arrow that we added 2 tutorials ago, I think. And it's going to spawn enemy attack damage 1, compile save, which in theory should damage our character. Oh, that's way too much damage. So the problem with that is we want 0.1 instead of 10 damage. She just totally one-shotted us. Compile, save. And that's going to be in enemy attack 1 damage blueprint. And instead of sound at location in our intelligent enemy, we want play sound 2D. That works. Compile, save. And what's the delay on enemy shoot? That's awfully slow. Enemy shoot. Looks like a 2-second delay. Compile, save. Alright, you guys can play around with that. This is the third tutorial and we've got to do animations. So, intelligent enemy. And how did we do animations in the last one? So all the way over here, away from all this that we just built, pull out your paper flip book and set flip book. And duplicate it 2 more times. Control D for duplicate. Plug all of them in. And so if our character is dead, then we would want there should be a sequence there. Enemy shoot, enemy health. For now, let's destroy this. And if it's true, then we need to set our flip book to death, main death. And then we will delay for 0.5 seconds and destroy actor. So, if she is... Those two came from the top. We gotta do just a little bit more coding, I'm sorry. And on faults from this top one at our location that we labeled, off of faults, pull out, do once. And that one goes down here. Off of set actor location, we want another do once. And we want a delay. Oops. Right click here for delay. Plug it in to reset, and we want a delay of 0.5. With that highlighted, Control D for duplicate, reset, and off of these, I misled you. Hold down Alt, left click to unplug nodes. That's one reset. That's the other reset. And then we want sequences, apparently. I used to really love using these. Control D, and off of the top one, that will be to there, and off of the bottom one, that will be to the bottom delay. Now, off of the top sequence, apparently we set that one to walk, main run, and then this one's going to be main idle. And that's going to be the bottom sequence. Let's give it a try. It seems to be working. And F. It worked. Let's give it, edit it, and then we need, let's give it 1 second before we destroy it. See how that does. It worked. So after death, we give it 1 second before we destroy the actor, and we need an attack animation, don't we? Highlight set flipbook and Control D for duplicate. Set this one to main attack. Main melee, I'm sorry, but we know we're going to need that. Plug it into your NPC's flipbook, and I guess off of intelligent enemy shoot, plug it in over here, give it a delay, and then plug it into idle. Give it a delay of 0.7, 0.7, compile and save. Let's plug that into run. Because that's just gonna look better, I think. Compile and save. That's much better. And we need a loot system now, don't we? We're only at 15 minutes, so for loot, let's do coins. Oh my goodness, what a mess. But we did it. So, for loot, let's just do a spawn actor from class off of the arrow component. We'll need to get location. Actually, no. Delete get actor location and just plug it in right here. That should work. And let's do coin. Coin blueprint, compile and save. What do we got? What do we got? Is it working? Did it work? Yes, because I've got 9999 coins. $10,001. It worked. It did. So I think all that's left is a save and checkpoint system before we can start getting into UI stuff and on-screen controls and making it mobile friendly, which will probably be split up into a different section of this tutorial series, because there's a lot of people who want this specifically for PC, and there's some people who are probably just here for the mobile aspect of it. So I hope you guys are having a good time and your projects are coming along well, and this wasn't too overwhelming. To be fair, this is something that I've been working on in the background for about a decade. It should be better than it is. I just don't really touch it unless if there's a project that comes up. So we have AI that chases us. It's able to track our player. It has loot, it attacks, it has sound effects and animations, and I think that's pretty much it. You can go in if you're having trouble with the visibility of your box. Go to your enemy damage, and you can do this with your character's damage too, the blueprint, and go to box, click on box, and let's see if we can visible. Is it hidden in game? Uncheck hidden in game. Compile and save. And now you can debug where the damage is coming from. You can see it a little bit better. Should be able to. Yeah, that's a very small box. I'm not sure if you can see it on the screen, but it's a very small box. And if I do that with the main character, highlight box, untick hidden in game, compile, save, you will see that her box is also very small. See it? Oh, there's a bug. Alright, well, to fix that bug, probably put a delay another delay before destroying the actor. That would work. Just point to compile and save, and do the same with this on the event graph. Wait a second. That's not gonna fix it. So just plug the event tick into it, compile, save, and same over here. Delay, and then plug that right into destroy actor. Compile and save, and that should fix the bug. Perfect. And it's also just a little bit small, so box, let's go with 3 by 3 by 3, compile, save, and enemy attack damage. The box will also be 3 by 3 by 3, compile and save. That's much, much better. Alright, well now you guys know how to play with it, and don't forget to tick hidden in game again on both of them. Compile and save, and you should be just about good to go. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.